Hi friends, today I will show you how to install the Epic Games Launcher. First, go to the Epic Games Store, then click Download. Select the folder you want your installation wizard to be downloaded into and wait for the download. Once the download is complete, open the installation wizard. You can do this from the Downloads window or you can go to your Downloads folder. Click on Run and follow the steps. Once the installation is completed, open the Epic Game Store, enter your email address and password. Once you have done that, you will be able to play any games you want using the Epic Game Store. Make sure to like the video and subscribe.